Pages 10 and 11. 1-2 Buckle My Shoe. A picture showing a big fat hen, a boy buckling another boy's shoe, a maid and sticks.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids a courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids a waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. Empty.
"1, 2 Buckle My Shoe" is believed to have originated in England during the late 18th century. It was first recorded in the United States around 1780 in Wrentham, Massachusetts. The rhyme was later published in London in 1805 in a collection called Songs for the Nursery. The primary purpose of this rhyme was to teach children how to count using simple and memorable lines. Some historians believe it might have described the daily activities of lace makers, with each line representing a different task. Over time, the rhyme has seen various versions and adaptations, but its core function as a counting rhyme has remained consistent.